Do you have a love-hate relationship with your tripod? Here are 7 tips that may help you love using your tripod. Number 1, frame your shot first. Walk around with your camera, find the best spot to take your picture before you set up your tripod. Number 2, adjust the tripod to your height and your subject before you position it. Make sure all the legs are the same height, then tighten everything up. Number 3, if you're inside on a clean surface, we recommend that you utilize the top sections first, since they're the sturdiest. If you're shooting outside, pull out the lowest section first, and here's why. You'd rather get dirt and gunk on the very bottom than have it end up in the joints where it can cause damage to your tripod. Number 4, position your tripod with one leg pointing towards your shot. That way, you won't trip over your tripod and damage your gear. Plus, it's more comfortable. But here's the exception. If you're on a slope and your subject is downhill, point the 2 tripod legs downhill for more stability. Number 5, if you're using a long lens, it probably has a tripod collar. You'll want to attach that to your tripod. It'll balance the weight and protect your camera and lens from tipping over. And when you want to change from horizontal to vertical, this is what you have to do. Save yourself the hassle, loosen up the screw on the tripod collar, and simply move your camera. Number 6, have you noticed this little hook at the bottom of your center post? It's there to add weight to stabilize your tripod in windy conditions. You can use a small bag of rocks, sand, or even your camera bag. Now, if it's so windy that even your camera bag is swaying back and forth, maybe ditch the idea. Finally, number 7. When it's time to put your tripod away, loosen all the segments, turn it upside down. Are you interested in learning more about tripods? Come into Horn Photo and talk with our experts. We can help you find a tripod that you're sure to love. Got the picture?